night. It's the first time I ever went on it, and I was like the best year.
The big wheels, the big wheels.
I'm getting nothing, man.
Big wheels.
I'm getting nothing. Once it's black and white.
The fat wheels.
What's the wheel?
Right there. Yeah.
More time. I'll see.
Yeah.
I've never been on that.
It's quite sick, you know.
That's a bit of shit.
No, it's sick.
I was going to go on it once, but she was so fat and white. She was like 5,000 people.
A lot of money, man.
Ain't that much, is it?
Yeah, £75 per ticket or something.
I suppose you waste that much money, it's supposed to go up and down.
It's sick.
Well, they're like fucking little shop and every little thing.
Fuck, training away.
Come on. That's gone. You think, how the fuck do they make it? How do they get it up?
They show you how they made it inside.
They make it up bit by bit.
The whole wheel, and they got a crane and lifted it up. This video was taken on the train back from Charing Cross.
I remember once, yeah, I'd say